Ubuntu is the world's favorite free and open source operating system. Ubuntu is an African word that literally means humanity to others. Ubuntu incorporates all the features of Unix operating system with an added customizable graphic user interface. It is a Linux distribution based on Debian comprising free and open source software. It is officially released in 3 editions: desktop, server, and core. Ubuntu is primarily designed to be used on personal computers. Before installation of Ubuntu, it is important that you consider the basic requirements. Check that your computer has 2 GHz dual core processor or higher, at least 25 GB of free storage space, 4 GB of system memory, and port for either DVD or a USB flash drive. The first step is to connect your computer to a power source. Take a backup of your system before installation so that in case of any untoward incident, you do not lose out your data. In this tutorial, we will learn to install dual boot operating system without affecting current Windows installation. To use computer in dual mode, please make a partition drive free in which you would like to install Ubuntu. To begin with, click on Start. Right-click on Computer. Select Manage from the resulting menu. From the Computer Management tool window, select the Disk Management. In the lower side, you will see a list of all the visible drives. Select the drive you want to partition. In our case, we have selected C drive. Right-click on the chosen drive and click on Shrink Volume. Here you have to choose the size available to shrink in megabytes. Enter the amount of showing in megabyte, like we used 30,000 megabyte, and then click on Shrink. A moment later, you can see the shrink partition as unallocated of free space. Now we have free space and we are ready to install Ubuntu as dual boot operating system. Insert the boot ROM, CD or DVD, or bootable media like pen drive and reboot the system. Make sure bootable media is the first order of boot. To see the boot order, restart your computer. Follow the on-screen instruction at bottom on the screen. Press F12. This may vary from computer to computer. In our case, we have pressed F12 to select boot menu. From the menu, select the bootable media, USB or CD or DVD. You will see the screen of Ubuntu 16.04 and wait till welcome window comes up. There are more or less 8 steps to be accomplished in installation of Ubuntu operating system. The steps are: first, in the welcome screen, select the language from the left menu and click on Install Ubuntu. In left hand side, languages are listed in which you want to install Ubuntu operating system in your computer. In our case, we are keeping default language English. Next, in the preparing to install Ubuntu screen, click on Continue button without selecting any option. You can download and install all updated at the time of installation of Ubuntu by selecting Download Update while installing Ubuntu. For selecting it, your system must be connected to internet. You can also install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi hardware, Flash, MP3, and other media at the time of installing Ubuntu by selecting Install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi hardware, Flash, MP3, and other media. Now in installation type, in the case of dual boot system, you have to select something else for manually partitioning of hard drive and click on Continue button. List the hard disk and its all partition will show in this window. Let's see the example of partition method. Select free space and click on Add button. Create partition window come up where you have to specify disk space properly. Type 4096 MB. The size of swap partition should be equal as RAM. In new partition size and select swap area instead of ext4 journaling file system. In use as, then click OK button. Select reset of the free space and click on Add button. Keep the default partition size for or enter proper space size in megabyte as per your requirement and availability of space. The partition format will be ext4 journaling file system. Select mount point as root and click on OK. All partition will be displayed on the screen. Now select root partition and click on Install Now button. In Write the changes to disk window, the list of partition will show which are going to be formatted. Make sure only swap and ext4 are listed in this and then click on Continue button. In Where You Are window, if you are connected to internet, your location will be detected automatically. Otherwise, select your location and time zone. To select India, click on India in the shown map and click on Continue button. On keyboard layout window, select keyboard layout as US and click on Continue button. In the Who You Are window, super user details are to be filled. These details will be used for sudo access also. Enter the name, your computer name and username come automatically once you enter your name. You may change username if you don't want to keep suggested username. Enter the password and confirm password, which must be the same. This password will also be used for sudo command, which is used for root access. You can select the login option whether you want to log in automatically while starting or want to enter password before login. Select accordingly. Once all done, click on Continue button. Wait till installation completes. Once completed, installation complete message will show. Click on Restart Now. It will ask to press Enter to remove installation medium from your system. Press Enter key and remove bootable media, USB, CD or DVD. GNU Grub will show after booting system, which asks you to select the window in which you want to enter. You can select using down up arrow key. Once desired operating system is selected, press Enter to get in. Here we selected Ubuntu first option and then pressed Enter to get into Ubuntu. Enter the password and press Enter to log in. Click on cross to close keyboard shortcuts. This hint comes only first time at the start of Ubuntu after installing. Click on top left Ubuntu logo, Start button to view all installed applications in Ubuntu. You can also search anything by typing in search your computer area. All recent programs, files, folders, etc. will show here. Click on A to view all installed applications, recently used programs and dash plugins. Mainly we use installed and recently used applications. You can also browse the net using default browser Firefox. With this, we come to the end of the tutorial on installation of Ubuntu operating system. Thank you.